What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the OEM shift knob and boot retainer in this Honda Type R. Today we're going to be putting in the gloss white light bulb with our custom Type R series number engraving, along with the red anodized boot retainer. It's a super straightforward install, so let's get into it. First step that we need to do is pull down on the factory boot. We've had this one off a couple times. Yours might be a little bit stiffer, but you're just going to grab the boot and you'll feel the retainer and just pull straight on down. Now that we have the boot pulled down, we have to take off the shift knob. To do that, there is a lock nut down here. It's a 14 millimeter. We're going to go ahead and loosen the lock nut from the shift knob. Now that the lock nut is loose, we can go ahead and spin off the shift knob and spin off the lock nut. Now that we have the shift knob off, now it's time to take off the silver trim here. We do recommend using a trim tool. If you don't have any, you can snag a set from Billetworkz.com. They'll be available in the listing description. What you're going to want to do is take your trim tool in between the silver piece and the black piece here, and you're going to want to get in between and pry up at the same time, separating the silver piece from the black piece, like so. And it is a little tight, so you might just have to work your way up and around. So now that we have the trim out, you see we do have some cables in here. We don't have to take anything apart, and you will see sometimes there are four Phillips head screws here. I've found that leaving it together is a little bit easier, but if it's just giving you a little bit too much of a pain, you can actually take the shift boot assembly out and do the install that way, but we're gonna leave it together for this one. So now that we need to take off the factory boot retainer, we're gonna go ahead and push it through, and you're gonna have a factory zip tie. Obviously, we've had ours on and off a couple times, so this is our zip tie, but it's still gonna be a zip tie there when you take it off. We're just gonna cut it, being mindful not to hit the boot. Take that, and then you will be simply able to pull your factory boot retainer right on out. Now we're gonna go ahead and slip the boot and the trim all back over the shifter, but before we do that, I actually want to make sure that the boot is fully out and it's not folded in at all, so it's kind of sitting like that. We'll go ahead and slide this over. We're not gonna clip anything into place yet, but we'll just have it rest there, and then we'll push the boot all the way down. Once the boot is down, we can go ahead and take our boot retainer, and we will go ahead and thread that on, and we will thread it all the way down until it does not go anymore. Now the next step is to actually thread on the shift knob. Your shift knob from Billetworkz will come with the insert already in it, so you will just be able to just thread it right on. And what we do is just simply take it, screw it on down. Now our shift knob pattern is not straight, so this is the time where we would actually adjust and line up the shift pattern. So to do that, we're going to take our shift knob and we're gonna get it straight and lined up for us. And then we'll take our boot retainer and hand tighten it up to the shift knob. Then I will take our Billetworkz install wrench, which you can get online and add on to your purchase here. And then what we're going to do is hold the shift knob, take our 19 millimeter wrench, and tighten the boot retainer up to the shift knob. Before I pull up the shift boot, I just like to point out, whenever you see that we have the flat tabs on the boot retainer here, we want this side of the zip tie to sit like this. It can be on this side or this side. Just make sure that thick part of the zip tie is sitting on those flat parts. Now, I will say, pulling up on this, I realized I had a lot of tension on this cable right here, so we're actually going to disconnect this cable. It's just a clip, and you just take it and you just can pull it on out. You can use a trim tool, but I found if you just kind of squeeze on the clip itself, it comes right off. That's gonna give me a little bit more flexibility to pull this boot up as far as I need to go, so that it's flush with the bottom of the boot retainer there. And then once I have everything lined up, I'll go ahead and start taking our zip tie and I'll get it fully installed. All right, now I have this zip tie ready to go. I will just make sure it is sitting in the flat part like I mentioned earlier. And then once again, I have everything all lined up and I got the zip tie on, I'll just make sure everything's good and snugged. Cut off the excess. All right, now that is all good, I'm gonna reattach this cable back into there. Then we can go ahead and clip everything back into place. And there you have it. Your shift knob and the new Billetworkz boot retainer are installed. Again, be sure to check out Billetworkz.com to shop other accessories for your Civic Type R, other shape, color variants, and colors for the boot retainer. Thanks, see you next time.